Welcome to Present Trade's tutorial on unfolding and exporting sheet metal designs in BricsCAD Mechanical. In this video, we'll explore how BricsCAD makes it easy to unfold sheet metal for manufacturing, dynamically adjust your designs, and export them for use with bending machines. Let's dive right in. Start by opening BricsCAD Mechanical and uploading your sheet metal design. To unfold it, head to the Sheet Metal tab and click on Unfold Export, then choose Unfold. A prompt will appear, letting you select the design to unfold. Place it wherever you like, and instantly you'll see the flat pattern of your sheet metal, complete with all the bends, reliefs, and edges ready for manufacturing. What's more, all the properties of your unfolded sheet are displayed in the Mechanical Properties area. Here, you can adjust critical settings like the K factor, which BricsCAD calculates automatically to account for material deformation during bending. Want more control? You can tweak these values to meet specific project needs. Now let's talk about form features, elements like bridges or ribs that add detail and function to your design. In the Mechanical browser, you'll find options for how these features are handled during unfolding. Keep ensures the features stay exactly as they are. Remove omits them entirely from the flat design. Project creates a clean projection of the feature edges onto the flange planes. Contour adds a more detailed projection, including external contours and holes. Symbol creates a manufacturing symbol depending on the feature's direction. And for an even simpler view, you have Project without center mark and Contour without center mark, which eliminate unnecessary marks for a streamlined result. Let's test this with the Keep option. Add a form feature, unfold the sheet, and you'll see the feature exactly as it is, seamlessly integrated into the flat pattern. Have a sheet with lofted bends? No problem. The process is just as straightforward. When you unfold a lofted design, BricsCAD automatically calculates the deformation for cylindrical or conical surfaces. The result? A flat pattern that reflects the precise geometry as if the material had been mathematically unrolled onto a plane. This ensures your design is accurate and production ready. Now let's move on to exporting. Go back to the Unfold Export button, where you'll find two options: Export DXF and Export OSM. DXF export converts your unfolded sheet into a 2D profile, ready for use in common CAD systems or cutting machines. OSM export saves the file in a format specifically for the Cadman BKM system, widely used in manufacturing workflows. Finally, there's the Associative Unfold Body option, a powerful tool for dynamic design changes. When you use it, BricsCAD creates a separate drawing for the unfolded design that remains linked to the original 3D model. Open both side by side, make an edit to the unfolding model, like adding a hole or changing dimensions, and watch as the 3D design updates instantly. It's a game changer for keeping your design synchronized. And there you have it. With BricsCAD Mechanical, unfolding and exporting sheet metal designs is not only straightforward, but also highly flexible, giving you total control over your project. Whether you're prepping for production or refining your designs, BricsCAD ensures precision every step of the way. Contact us at Present Trade to get your free trial of BricsCAD Mechanical and start exploring these tools today. Happy designing!